Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can delete your Facebook account. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Let's open up the Facebook app. Go to the menu icon, go to settings and privacy, tap on settings again. Here you can see more in account centers. Tap on personal details. Here you can see account ownership and control. If you want to delete your account, just tap right here. And here you can tap on one of your account. Tap on delete additional Facebook account. Just tap on continue. And here you have to give one of the reason. Tap on continue. Tap on continue again. If you tap on continue, and here you have to tap your password. And here you can see they have sent you the information. Once you schedule your profile for deletions, you have 30 days to reactivate your profile and cancel the deletions. So to delete your account permanently, just tap on delete account and you will be able to delete your account permanently on Facebook. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.